G'day, it's Colin from Worth. Today I'd like to show you the Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner. You might ask, what is a diesel particulate filter, or DPF as they're commonly known? A DPF is a filter in the exhaust which catches diesel particulate or carbon and other matter that comes out of the engine. These DPFs periodically need to be cleaned. Now, your engine management system of your vehicle will do a passive burn or an active burn to clean off the DPF. Sometimes the passive and active burns don't work for whatever reason, and your check engine light may come on and the vehicle may even go into limp mode, and it needs some assistance, and that's where the Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner comes in. How the product works is you spray it directly into a cold DPF, and then it softens the carbon that's built up inside the DPF filter and allows it to be burnt off a lot easier. There are several reasons why a DPF may block up, but the most common are poor fuel quality and short and infrequent driving trips. To apply the product, it's very simple. You take the front temperature sensor out in front of the DPF. Then you simply put the hose that's supplied onto the can, like so, and you pass it through the temperature sensor hole and you empty the can whilst wiggling the tube around. Let's have a look now how it's done. To use the Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner, firstly, don't forget the correct PPE, safety glasses and gloves. Locate the DPF filter in the vehicle. Remove the temp sensor at the front of the DPF. Fit the nozzle to the can, insert the nozzle into the temperature sensor port, then dispense the can whilst wiggling the probe back and forth. Once the can has been fully dispensed, refit the temp sensor, start the vehicle, and then the vehicle can either do a passive, an active or a forced burn to clear the DPF. Worth DPF Cleaner. It saves you time because you don't have to remove the DPF from the vehicle. It's non-flammable, it's neutral, ash and metal free, it has no residue, and it's environmentally friendly. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.